Semco makes resurfacing easy, redefining the art of surface creativity for over 20 years using green materials. We strive to exceed our clients' expectations and work closely to communicate with clients, ensuring that the finished project satisfies the client's original vision. Residence and office flooring, commercial flooring, clinic flooring, pet-friendly flooring, eco-friendly flooring, and more. We also remodel without removal of floors, walls, countertops, or even pool decks. Perfect for interior and exterior applications. No demolition, no chemical removal, no grinding, no sandblasting, only green materials. Semco's modern cement seamless surface offers the tools, creative vision, and technological expertise to propel your design imagination to new heights. Create ambience through innovative surface styles for floors, walls, driveways, countertops, and pool decks. Unleash your inner artist with limitless creative freedom. For more information, call Semco today.